The PLIDCO Flange Repair+Rings, they operate by sealing on the perimeter of each flange in a set of flanges that has a leaking gasket. What happens then, of course, is the leak's going to find another path. It's going to start finding its way out through the existing flange bolts. So sealants are injected in between the flanges, which seals those off. Now they're intended as a temporary repair until there is a turnaround. Many times during a turnaround, as the plant cools down, your joints where the gaskets are go through a thermal contraction cycle, and sometimes things leak when you restart. And that is where the flange repair-rings can be extremely helpful. As you're coming up from a turnaround, the flange repair-ring is an ideal product to have on hand to take care of some of the steam leaks that pop up from some of the joints that may have contracted from the turnaround. The flange repair-rings, the way they're designed, do not impose great loads on the existing bolts. Therefore, from our standpoint, we feel it's a safer approach, particularly when you get to large diameter heat exchangers with wide gaps between the tube headers. So you're not putting great loads on the flanges themselves.
The flange repair ring does not require any drilling into the flanges. It keeps the flanges within the specs. They can be reconditioned and used over and over.